of Social Sciences. ठीक है, तो should I say or something after that? You will start directly.
नहीं, whatever you want to say, you can say.
No, just introduction ना till School of Social Sciences IGNOU.
ये बता दो कि in this series we have been ऐसे करके.
अच्छा वो बता देती हूँ कि
वो
बहुत
शुरू
सारे
होता है.
activities we have initiated. ठीक है.
वो
Besides
because
this
it will be
sessions on
abrupt हो जाएगा ना
Facebook.
कि सिर्फ intro.
हाँ.
तो थोड़ा सा ना.
So फिर मैं बोलती हूँ तो मोनिका आज के टॉपिक के बारे में तुम कुछ बताना चाहोगी दर्शकों को? ऐसे करके हाँ आज का जो टॉपिक है उसके बारे में मोनिका विस्तार से बताएंगे.
वो करने के बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन करो. पहले रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर रहा हूँ. उसके बाद वो कर रहा हूँ सामने के. इससे आप हो गया रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन.
Hello viewers and listeners. Welcome to this program that is based on the theme Living Well During COVID-19 Priorities and Strategies. By this time, you must have come across many articles. You must have watched many programs related to the coronavirus, that is COVID-19. For many of us, it is really an overwhelming situation. In this program today, we will discuss about certain priorities, the strategies that we can adapt and adopt to live well during such difficult circumstances under the phase of uncertainty and crisis.
नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल द व्यूवर्स. मैं हूँ प्रोफेसर सुहास शेठ गोवेकर और मेरे साथ है डॉक्टर मोनिका मिश्रा और हम दोनों फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं डिसिप्लिन ऑफ साइकोलॉजी स्कूल ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस इग्नू के. और ये मैं बताना चाहती हूँ आपको कि जो डिसिप्लिन ऑफ साइकोलॉजी है हम लोगों ने वेरियस एक्टिविटीज शुरू की है इस सिचुएशन के ड्यूरिंग दिस सिचुएशन. तो हम लोग ना ही IRCs कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ ज्ञानवाणी पे अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स कर रहे हैं, लेकिन फेसबुक पे भी ऐसे सेशंस कर रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू COVID-19. साथ में अगर आप देखोगे इग्नू वेबसाइट के ऊपर हम लोग वेरियस आर्टिकल्स भी डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू COVID-19. और हमारी यही कोशिश है कि जो लोग घर पे है लॉकडाउन में है उनको अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ मैनेज करने में और इमोशनल बैलेंस मेंटेन करने में हेल्प हो. तो मोनिका क्या तुम और बताओगी विस्तार से कि आज का टॉपिक हमारा क्या है?
Yes, Suhas, right. We'll be covering, as already mentioned, the priorities and strategies. What the person can do during this time to keep his or her mental health in a balance. So let me start today's program. I'll ask you a few questions.
Okay, Monica.
So to begin with, how are you feeling these days during the lockdown days?
Oh, well, Monica, thank you for asking. Definitely पहले बहुत मुश्किल हुई थी. Okay, अभी थोड़ा बहुत एडजस्ट हो चुका है.
Okay.
Yes.
But what was your first reaction when the lockdown was announced?
Right. Well, the first reaction was, of denial. ऐसे लग रहा था कि एक्चुअली ये क्या हो रहा है, डिनाइल. जैसे हम मनोविज्ञान में बात करते हैं कोपिंग प्रोसेसेस की, जो स्टार्ट होता है डिनाइल के साथ की. शुरुआत में हमें पता नहीं चल रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. सो डेफिनेटली मुझे भी वही डिनाइल महसूस हुआ. यकीन नहीं आ रहा था इस सिचुएशन पे और साथ ही बहुत सारे अप्रीहेंशंस थे, कंसर्न्स थे कि क्या होगा, मेरी फैमिली सेफ है कि नहीं, फिर सामान मिलेगा कि नहीं, दवाई का क्या, बच्चों के स्कूल बंद हो गए, पढ़ाई कैसे करेंगे, दिन भर घर पे क्या करेंगे. और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे लोग हमारे जैसे लोग वो भी सिमिलर प्रोसेस से गुजरे होंगे जहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सिचुएशन क्या है. लॉकडाउन सडनली आप अपने आप को घर पे पा रहे हो और ये भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ऑफिस का काम कैसे होगा, इतने सारे अर्जेंट काम है वो कैसे होंगे.
बट जब पहली बार ये डिक्लेयर हुआ और आज के सिचुएशन में आपने कुछ चेंजेस?
बिल्कुल. अभी मुझे लगता है जैसे शुरुआत अगर डिनाइल से हुई है, अभी जो स्टेज है वो है एक्सेप्टेंस. बहुत कुछ एडजस्टमेंट हो गई है, कोपिंग प्रोसेस हुई है ऑफ कोर्स हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि सारे वी ऑल गो थ्रू द सेम प्रोसेस, क्योंकि जैसे साइकोलॉजी मनोविज्ञान में हम बोलते हैं कि ईच इंडिविजुअल इज डिफरेंट, इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंस इज एन इसेंस ऑफ साइकोलॉजी।
Right.
तो ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि थोड़े जो लोग हैं उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से कोप कर लिया, थोड़े दे टुक टाइम टू कोप,
Correct.
एंड सम ऑफ देम आर नॉट एबल टू कोप वेल,
Right.
राइट? सो आई थिंक ये ध्यान में रखना हमें बहुत ही जरूरी है, राइट?
So that is why I asked you these initial questions.
बिल्कुल।
Because Suhas is a psychologist, and it has, this pandemic has struck all of us collectively in a way, in the sense that there is no discrimination between
Bilkul.
any race,
Yes.
religion, identity, and so on. So, in fact, we are collectively vulnerable. In fact, and we know that the schools are closed, then we are supposed to telework, and approximately 1/3 of the population is under lockdown.
Very true.
So, this is, in a way, the situation. We should also accept that in this situation, we will not be able to do our best because
Yes.
in the limited, resources, and we are not able to do our best. And we should accept that perfectly. It is okay. Whatever the limited resources are, people are trying their best to do their work. And one needs to realize that this is a stage of in fact introspection, and one has to really reflect ki how the need to adapt and innovate to this new normal.
Right.
This is kind of a, because
Very true.
this stage will not end as fast as we are thinking. Right. It will take some time. Yes, was?
Yes. No, I just wanted to also mention कि हम even बात करते हैं crisis intervention की,
Right,
और
right.
जब भी हम crisis में के बारे में बात करते हैं, first thing that we should focus is on safety.
Right.
बाकी का बाद में आता है. Everything is important, no doubt. Our work is important.
Correct,
Organization
correct.
has to run.
Absolutely.
Our children's education is important, but more important is safety. So that also we need to focus on.
Correct.
And as you said, accepting the situation, which is very difficult. Saying is easy,
Right.
then
And
actually
practicing.
practicing.
Exactly.
But that is what we have to do.
So, Suhas rightly focused on the individual differences, because one will adapt and cope according to his or her personality traits, his or her attitude towards life, towards situations and events. So that is very important. But particularly, have you observed any common reactions or the mental health issues that have come
ऑफ
up?
कोर्स मोनिका, कोई भी अगर आउटब्रेक हो या इस तरह का नेचुरल डिजास्टर जो होता है, उस डेफिनेटली स्ट्रेसफुल तो होता ही है.
Correct.
लेकिन दो मेन चीज़ें जो ऑब्वियसली आम तौर पे भी नज़र आती है, वो है एंजाइटी एंड स्ट्रेस. तो बहुत सारे लोग जो है एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस, दैट इज चिंता और तनाव, दोनों से गुजर रहे हैं, विच इज़ क्वाइट नॉर्मल. ओके, और बहुत बार हम लोग कोप भी कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग जैसे ऐसे कहा जाता है कि एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस अगर एक ऑप्टिमल लेवल के नीचे हो, जैसे आप अगर कोई रबर बैंड ले और उसको स्ट्रेच करें, तो उसकी एक हद होती है कितना आप उसको स्ट्रेच कर सके.
Absolutely.
तो उससे ज़्यादा अगर आप स्ट्रेच उसको करोगे तो रबर बैंड टूट जाएगा. इन अ सिमिलर मैनर हर एक इंसान की एक ऑप्टिमल लेवल होती है एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस को लेने की. तो अगर उसके नीचे है तो फाइन, लेकिन अगर उसके ऊपर चला जाता है तो डेफिनेटली वो उसके ऊपर इफेक्ट करेगा. अगर आप, और ये भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप ऑब्जर्वेंट बने एक दूसरे के, बिकॉज फैमिली आज टुगेदर एक साथ है, और आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और जो सिग्निफिकेंट अदर्स है अपने लाइफ में, रिलेटिव्स है, फ्रेंड्स है, जो भी है, उनके साथ आप टच में रहें. और अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ उनमें चेंजेस हैं, तो वो शायद एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस की वजह से भी हो सकती है. और ये भी जब इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में स्ट्रेस जैसे है, स्ट्रेस हो सकता है कि डर के बारे में कि मुझे कुछ हो सकता है. डेफिनेटली जो परसीव्ड थ्रेट और परसीव्ड ससेप्टिबिलिटी मतलब बहुत हाई है इस केस में.
And the more the susceptible people are, they will be also prone to one step ahead, that is depression.
डिप्रेशन, वेरी ट्रू.
The cases are increasing.
हाँ, एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस को अगर चेक ना कर दिया जाए तो डेफिनेटली डिप्रेशन तक बढ़ सकता है. इसलिए मैं सजेस्ट करूंगी कि आप, एंड इनफैक्ट मोनिका मैं यहाँ पे बताना चाहूंगी, जो हमारी IRC की इंटरेक्टिव रेडियो काउंसलिंग की सीरीज है, ज्ञान वाणी इग्नू का जो रेडियो चैनल है, उसके ऊपर हम साइकोलॉजी, डिसिप्लिन ऑफ साइकोलॉजी अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स कर रहे हैं. और इस शुक्रवार को 24 अप्रैल को मेरा सेशन है 6 बजे, दैट इज ऑन बेयरफुट काउंसलिंग. एंड ये सिर्फ संक्षेप में मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि व्हाट इज बेयरफुट काउंसलिंग। एक तो इसके मतलब मायने ये हैं कि हर एक में एक काउंसलर छिपा होता है,
Correct,
राइट।
absolutely.
और भारत में स्पेशली अगर कोई दिक्कत हमें आ रही हो तो डायरेक्टली हम लोग काउंसलर के पास नहीं जाएंगे, हम जाएंगे अपनी मम्मी के पास या डैडी के पास या अपने फ्रेंड के पास या बहन के पास, भाई के पास, राइट।
Correct,
नाउ
correct.
हम काउंसलर के पास तभी जाते हैं जब हमारा जो लाइफ का फर्स्ट बेस्ट काउंसलर है वो हमें हेल्प नहीं कर पाता। तो इस सिचुएशन में इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट प्रोबेबली टू सीक हेल्प, यू नो। तो डेफिनेटली अगर हम थोड़े बहुत साइंटिफिक काउंसलिंग स्किल्स जान लेते हैं, यू नो, तो हम विल बी इन अ पोजिशन टू हेल्प ईच अदर। तो यही मैं कवर करूंगी इस वाले सेशन में जो 24 तारीख को है,
Correct.
6 बजे ये IRC ज्ञानवाणी पे शुरू होगा।
I think this is a very good initiative, in fact, because barefoot counseling, in a way, it is like a psychological first aid.
Exactly, perfectly. I think you said it perfectly.
That one should go for.
Exactly, you know, तो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है ये वाला सेशन आप सुने और आपके फीडबैक भी दें। साथ में मोनिका ये भी हमें स्ट्रेस करना है कि एज यू सेड, यू नो, इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस आर देयर। तो जो जैसे तनाव लिया जाता है या एंजाइटी ली जाती है उसमें भी इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस देखोगे। जैसे बच्चे थोड़े पेरेंट्स ने अगर नोटिस किया होगा बच्चे एकदम अटैच्ड हो गए हैं, तो उनको डांटना नहीं है लेकिन उनको अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि शायद देखिए उनका भी तो रूटीन डिस्टर्ब हुआ है, राइट। एंड वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम इज नॉट इजी, डेफिनेटली नॉट। आई वुड लाइक टू कंपेयर इट विद ओपन बुक एग्जाम, जो बहुत इजी लगता है कि ओपन बुक एग्जाम है बहुत इजी होगा, लेकिन एक्चुअली बहुत मुश्किल होता है। यस, तो इन अ सिमिलर मैनर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम इज डेफिनेटली नॉट इजी। एंड आई थिंक लास्ट वीक हमारा एक शायद सेशन हुआ है कि कैसे यू नो वी कैन वर्क फ्रॉम होम। यस, एंड यू हैड ऑफ कोर्स अ सेशन
work life balance and optimizing learning.
Yes, optimizing learning. Monica had a IRC session on optimizing learning, and which will help you to kind of, you know, help your children, you know, deal with stress. तो ये आपने ध्यान रखना है। बहुत बार एल्डरली क्या होते हैं, दे आर कंसर्न अबाउट मेरी दवाइयाँ मिलेंगी कि नहीं, क्या होगा। तो यू नो हर एक जो अलग अलग है, बहुत सारे हमारे जो फ्रेंड्स है या यू नो दे आर इन हेल्थ सेक्टर, यू नो हेल्थ वर्कर्स है या डॉक्टर्स है, तो उनके यहाँ अलग तनाव है। They are not able to spend time with their family. At least we are with home with our family. You know, they are not able to spend time with family. They are concerned कि कहीं मैं you know I transfer my infection to the you know, ये भी उनके वहाँ तनाव होता है। साथ में what about people with chronic illnesses?
Correct, absolutely.
What about people who are already having some kind of psychological issue? What
More
about
vulnerable.
yes, what about people who are you know like having substance abuse or substance use rather? तो डेफिनेटली अगर आप साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट देखें तो बहुत ह्यूज है, बट मेनली वी कैन पॉइंट इट डाउन टू एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस एंड ऑफ कोर्स डिप्रेशन।
So rightly you pointed out anxiety, distress, and then it can aggravate to, of course, depression.
Yes.
Overall, this is emerging from primarily what I can garner is because of uncertainty. That fear is there, and
Fear
that
is
boredom.
there.
Right
Yes.
now,
You said it rightly.
People are going through that phase of boredom. That
Yes.
is aggravating the problems.
बिल्कुल।
And here I would like to mention that we often tend to focus on things that are not under our control. Often we focus on things which we don't have, rather on focusing on things and resources of what we have.
Very true.
I think that will lessen our tension a little bit.
Yes.
Right. So given this crisis, it has really led us to reflect and introspect on the life that we were leading, and we can try to sort things out and what is the right way of living.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Right. And here I would like to mention two aspects that are very crucial in this. That is the human capital or the social capital, and one is the resilience building. Right. So when I say human capital, we know that it is the basic main asset of any society.
Yes.
And when we say about the social capital, it is the building and bonding relationships for a healthy and productive life. So that is so important.
Yes.
And of course, resilience is the ability to bounce back, which we will cover in the later part of the program. But Suhas, what I feel is like, for example, the way things are going on, Don't you think that we should try to reprioritize our?
बिल्कुल, there are a lot of things that we have to look into, you know, change the way we live, as you said.
Correct.
और आपने जैसे बताया कि definitely boredom तो है ही, साथ में fatigue भी है.
Right, mental fatigue is there.
Mental fatigue है, even physical fatigue है to
Of
some
course, of
extent. You know,
course.
your whole day at home, you are confined. It's called lockdown.
Right,
Ultimately,
right,
it's a
right.
lockdown. You know, and it has got more of negative connotations to it. You know, that you have been forced in a way in a particular
But we do
space.
have the positive aspect of COVID.
course,
we'll
and
discuss.
of course, Monica, it is up to us, you know, how we look
Correct,
at it. Ultimately, आपका जो नजरिया है, you know, हम लोग मनोविज्ञान में all the time इसके बारे में बात करते हैं कि आपका जो नजरिया है, you know, अगर वो
That
positive
is
है,
it.
you know, look at the positive things, look at, you know, what actually how you can use all this time, you know, to, of course, you know, like it could be self awareness, it could be taking care of one's, जैसे
Correct,
कि
absolutely.
slide के ऊपर हम दिखा रहे हैं, taking care of oneself, you know, not only physical, psychological and emotionally, try to maintain your emotional balance. Little later in the session हम थोड़े से stress management techniques भी
Oh, that's
उसके बारे में
very
भी बात
nice.
करेंगे.
Yes, yes,
आप resilience के बारे में भी बात कर रही है, which is very important. It is like, this is a time that first of all focus on self. Okay, you can also you know, take up some self awareness exercises, right? And Johari window for example, दो हमारे पास उतना टाइम नहीं है कि हम ये सारा डिस्कस करें, लेकिन आप ऑनलाइन भी देख सकते हैं. there is something called Johari window.
Correct.
आप उसको रेफर करें. So focus on yourself. Second is also social engagement. We have to remember this social distancing is mainly physical distancing. You don't have to be psychologically away from each other. Keep in touch with your friends, keep in touch with your, you know, family. अगर आपके साथ family है तो keep interacting with them. Use this time in a very positive way, engaging in meaningful activities.
Correct,
and
correct.
staying motivated is
Yes, that's
extremely
important,
important.
yeah.
साथ में being discipline is also very important. That is maintain your routine. You know, because शायद ऐसे हुआ होगा कि स्टार्टिंग में जब लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ तब गड़बड़, सब रूटीन आपका
know,
गड़बड़ हो
yes.
गया, बट देन स्लोली ब्रिंग इट ऑन ट्रैक. You know, बच्चों का रूटीन हो, आपका रूटीन हो,
Absolutely.
bring it. That is what is very important. Physically, again, try to have some exercise, eat healthy. That is what is important. Okay, do carry out activities that you enjoy. You know, आपके interest and
Right,
hobbies
right.
cultivate करने के लिए ये बहुत ही right time है.
Because more often like people say कि मेरे पास time नहीं है.
टाइम
अभी
नहीं
तो
है,
time
अभी
है.
तो टाइम है, बहुत सारा टाइम है, बट देन
Interesting.
यू हैव टू मैनेज योर टाइम इन अ राइट वे.
Correct.
Okay, take care of your office work as well. Take care of your children as well. You know, that I think, you know, we are the people who really have to do these things, you know,
Correct, absolutely.
so that our family is also comfortable.
Yes, you rightly pointed out how we can reprioritize
Bilkul.
during this, because this has absolutely changed our perception of how to live life,
Yes.
right?
Monica, I would like to point out one more thing as well. You know, बहुत बार हमारा reaction क्या होता है? Extreme.
Right,
या तो we are
that's
extremely careful, या extremely careless. We are suspicious rather, not even careful. It's more of suspicion.
Paranoia?
As
is
if
something like-
coronavirus is standing right outside our
Correct,
door.
absolutely.
You know, jokes apart, seriously, of course we have to be careful. We have to take all the measures laid down by the government, but then that doesn't mean that we are suspicious of people and we
Correct.
discriminate against them. No,
Right, right.
that is not correct, because इस वायरस के साथ जो हमारा, of course it is creating a havoc in a way, but then our social fabric is also in danger and we have to save that social fabric. And I feel, you know, जो कहावत है, united we stand, divided we fall, is still true in this context.
Right,
We
absolutely.
still have to be united. We have to be with each other, more so during this time. Only what we have to maintain is physical distance, and we have to follow all the guidelines that have been given by our government and you know, WHO. So we have to follow them. But let us be in the middle of the continuum, not be
Exactly.
freaking out,
That's
not
most
be too
important.
casual.
Right.
You know, maintain your emotional balance.
ये
That is what
बैलेंस
I
बनाना
feel.
ही तो सबसे
बिल्कुल
मुश्किल का काम
मुश्किल
होता
का
है.
काम है, लेकिन we have to keep trying. You know, there are resources, बहुत सारे universities, including IGNU. Of course, we are also doing so many different activities. Articles लिख रहे हैं या IRC कर रहे हैं. I think हमारे School of Health Sciences भी कर रहे हैं. कल
Yes,
प्रोफेसर साहानी का भी लेक्चर था on disaster management.
Yes.
So from each one of us, we are trying, you know, to help you out. You know, help each other, of course, help ourselves as well. You know, तो ये information जो है, positive aspects we have
right.
to imbibe in ourselves and try to maintain our emotional balance and also help our family members and friends and others, of course.
Correct. So, like after we, the priorities we set, now how one adopts or, the strategies to cope up with the problems. So now in that, as I already mentioned, that we have individual differences, we have our personality traits, and accordingly we pick out the strategies.
Exactly.
But before picking out or adopting any strategy, I think here it becomes very important that we have to look out for certain markers in our behavior.
Bilkul.
Like, for example, there are three important markers that is an indication that something wrong is there in our mental health. Some issue can come up. Like, for example, our mood. Mood is the biggest indicator.
Bilkul.
If one is having, mood swings, and it should continue for, some time. It's not like, okay, I'm feeling good today in a bad. So that does not mean that. But of course, for a prolonged period of time, if certain mood changes are there,
Bilkul.
one should be watchful. The second is the sleep hygiene, the sleep pattern that we are having. Sleep is an indicator of mental health, actually.
Eating as well, I suppose.
Yes, eating. So if the less we sleep or more we sleep,
Exactly.
so that is an indicator
Very true.
of mental health. And of course, as Suhas rightly pointed out about the eating behavior, either there is loss of appetite or we're eating more, binge eating,
Yes,
and so on.
binge eating.
So we'll have to. So these three markers are very important. So you can, I think, even in it comes a part of the barefoot counseling also, like where
Very true.
they can observe themselves if
yes.
something is going wrong, or in their significant others or friends and so on.
Very true.
So this is one aspect. The second is, like, for example, you can introspect on what kind of a coping mechanism you have adopted in the past. That might be successful right now also. But mind you, as Suhas rightly pointed out earlier, that we should not go into a denial mode, because many a times people also go for denial and suppression, because this is temporarily, it helps us in reducing our anxiety, right? So this mechanism should be avoided, and some healthy problem focused coping mechanisms should be avoided, not emotion focused. Then one should be also very vigilant on how we are, using social media.
Bilkul.
Social media consumption right now is very relevant in the sense we are going after news every minute, every hour. We are just checking what is the score, how many fresh infections, or how many have succumbed to the problem, and so on and so forth. So we have to restrict somewhere, and we have to, just observe what kind of social media messages we are getting, right?
Exactly. And also spreading wrong information.
absolutely.
It's complete no. Avoid doing that.
Correct.
Okay, only look for valid information, because abhi to information ka burst hua hai.
Right,
There's
right.
so much of information
Right,
available.
absolutely.
But you have to see which information is correct. That will depend on the authenticity of the source from where you're getting it.
And the last one, already Suhas has mentioned, but just in one line I'll wrap it up, in the sense that social distancing, we are more talking about a physical distancing. Social distancing gives importance to the open communication, and that is why Suhas has got a very beautiful explanation of COVID in a very
yes.
positive manner.
You know, we can of course look at it, take some positivity from the very term that is COVID, where C stands for communication. All हम सारे family members घर पे बैठे हैं, तो definitely you have to have an effective communication. In this context also, I would like to inform कि जो हमारे दर्शक हैं, you can look for transactional analysis.
Oh, beautiful. That is
Yes, transactional analysis is a theory that you can आप check कर सकते हो website के ऊपर, online check कर सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं कि वो क्या है, and those principles can also be adopted जब आप communicate करते हो. Avoiding conflict is very important, because you are in a limited space, and that can give rise to some conflicts, which are to be avoided, because then conflict again will add to your tanav and anxiety, right? C is also for care, because we have to care for oneself and each other. O stands for optimism. Very important in today's time. We have to be optimistic even in this dire situation. Optimism and hope is very important.
Very important.
We have to be positive. Also value your resources, the resources that we have. Not only that, but also the health related personnel who are working, upfront. Them, value the people in your life as well,
Absolutely.
So value all this. That is very important. Value this time that you are having. I stands for introspection. As Monica has been saying, we have to introspect. Since we can't go out, look within. This is what is trending on WhatsApp these days. You can't look out, so look within. This is a time when we can develop more self-awareness. I also stands for information. Be informed, but not overly informed. I also stands for interests and hobbies. Cultivate your interests and hobbies. Learn new things. There are a
Correct.
lot of online programs that are available. Even IGNOU is offering some few programs.
Online, correct.
So please, you can register for these programs and enhance your skill and knowledge. D stands for discipline, and also don't discriminate.
Right.
Right? Discipline yourself, very important. Maintaining your routine. At the same time, discrimination should not be there. Don't discriminate based on in group and out group.
Correct.
Don't discriminate. Don't discriminate against the health related personal people working in the health sector. Don't discriminate, because this is the time again where we have to stand together and face this particular problem.
And you were talking about something on cognitive restructuring, how we
Right.
can do
Yes,
about for
yes.
these stereotypes or
Yes.
prejudice.
Yes. Cognitive restructuring is again, trying to change the way thinking pattern. There is one particular theory we talk about that is called, rather it's a technique. It's called ABCDE technique.
Okay.
Okay. A stands for activating event. एक्टिवेटिंग इवेंट मतलब कोई भी सिचुएशन, कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, उसका एक हमारा रिएक्शन करने का तरीका होता है, एक बिलीफ होती है.
Right.
नाउ बिलीफ कैन बी रैशनल, लॉजिकल या इरैशनल, दैट इज इलॉजिकल. अगर हमारी बिलीफ रैशनल है तो वी आर इन अ बेटर पोजिशन टू कोप. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे से कोई गलती हो गई, तो अगर हम लोग रिएक्ट करते हैं, बिलीफ हमारा है कि हाँ हो जाती है कभी कभी गलती, उसमें क्या है, तो हम ऑफ कोर्स लिटिल बिट आपको लगेगा कि अरे मेरे से गलती हो गई, लेकिन आप ट्राई करना नहीं छोड़ोगे. बट अगर आपका जो है इरैशनल है, ओ मेरे से गलती हो गई, दिस इज एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, अब क्या करूँ, मैं तो कंप्लीटली यूजलेस हूँ, अगर आपकी थिंकिंग ऐसे है तो डेफिनेटली आपको सैड लगेगा, डिप्रेशन हो सकता है और आप नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई नहीं करोगे. तो इस सिचुएशन में अगेन ऑप्टिमिज्म, एट द सेम टाइम आपकी थिंकिंग पैटर्न को आप ऑब्जर्व करें और देखिए कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये जो थिंकिंग पैटर्न आपकी रैशनल होनी चाहिए, ना कि irrational.
So I think what you have explained, truly most of us require cognitive restructuring.
Exactly.
So, Suhas, I would be really happy if you could share some relaxation techniques or the
There are a few breathing exercises that also
Okay.
we have mentioned. आप देख सकते हो PPT पे. तो एक तो बहुत ही सिंपल है और मैं ये सजेस्ट करूँगी कि ये आप विद फैमिली मेम्बर्स भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, इसमें क्या है कि आपको सीधा बैठना है, कोई भी कभी भी आप ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज करो, रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक करो, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप स्ट्रेट बैठें.
Alright.
साथ में आपकी आंखें क्लोज करना जरूरी है. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आपको सबसे ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन आंखों से मिलती है, तो एक सोर्स बंद हो गया.
But
Right, so
kabhi we can't even close our eyes.
But we have to try and close, right, so that we reflect within. Okay, and then you can breathe in, breathe out normally. इसमें कोई डीपली ब्रीद इन नहीं करना है. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट नॉर्मली एज इज डिस्प्ले हो रहा है स्लाइड पे. ठीक है, और एंड देन यू कैन डू दिस फॉर 5-10 minutes. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट नॉर्मली, एंड देन स्लोली फोकस ऑन योर ब्रीदिंग. और फिर पाम्स को अपने रब करके आंखों पे रख के फिर देन यू कैन ओपन. एंश्योर दैट यू सिट स्ट्रेट. अगर आप चेयर पे बैठे हैं तो पैर जो है अपने फ्लैट रखिए ऑन द फ्लोर, एंड हाथ कैन बी इधर लाइक दिस या लाइक दिस ऑन योर लैप्स. ओके, एंड ट्राई डूइंग दिस टुगेदर विथ फैमिली. 5 minutes, you can do it in the morning, you can do it little maybe in the afternoon, and then again 5 minutes के लिए अगर आप दिन भर में करते हो टोटल 20 minutes हो जाएंगे 4 बार अगर आप करते हो.
I think this is
It's
really
collective.
right.
Do it in a collective manner. It will definitely help. हालांकि सिमिलर एक्सरसाइज हम लोग एक पर्टिकुलर वर्कशॉप मैंने अटेंड किया था पौंडीचेरी में IPI का, तो उसमें भी हम लोग सेशन शुरू होने से पहले ऐसे एक्सरसाइज करते थे, सेशन खत्म होने के बाद सिमिलर एक्सरसाइज करते थे, एंड इट वाज रियली एक तरह का रिफ्रेश, यू फील वेरी रिफ्रेश्ड. सो ये वाली एक्सरसाइज आप इंडिविजुअली भी कर सकते हैं और यू कैन डू इट आल्सो इन अ
I think this is very relevant because now most of us we are working on computers. And,
बिल्कुल.
so this will really refresh us
Yes,
and
yes.
help us in focusing.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, there is another exercise also. It is called quick method, as you can see. Quick method relief from stress. And again, इसमें try to relax your arms and shoulders. हम लोग देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे तनाव बहुत महसूस होता है. So you have to relax this part. So you have to, of course, people with spondylitis, yeah, health related issues have to be cautious. But otherwise, you have to rotate your head like this 5 times and then like this 5 times. So इससे क्या होगा, ये वाला part जो है relax होगा. And then of course you can take deep breaths, few deep breaths. Concentrate on your breathing. All this you have to do with your eyes closed and by sitting straight.
I
Okay,
think
that is what is important.
that is
And
the most difficult part.
Exactly. But then you have to initially, it's true, जब मैंने भी रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक शुरू की थी या मेडिटेशन शुरू किया था, आंखें बंद करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता
It's really
है.
difficult.
Focusing within is very difficult, but then you have to keep trying. Starting में दिक्कत होगी, then later on you will get used to it. और जो डिटेल्स यहाँ पे स्लाइड पे आप देख ही रहे हैं, you can look at these. Okay, ये वाला जो है you have to follow, and then of course at the end again you have to rub your palms together, put on your eyes, and then you can open your eyes.
Correct. Beautifully explain these few small exercises that we can very well adopt in our daily routine, because when we are working on online mode and so on, we really need that break. And the studies have indicated that at a stretch we should not be sitting on computers for more than 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is all. I'm a little exaggerating, but it's a very low. The time period is very less, because there's a kind of a mental fatigue and that monotony, and even our the mind and the brain will not, it doesn't focus, right? So that is also very important. And after this I come on to the resilience part that I mentioned initially. When we talk about resilience, it is primarily the individual resilience building as well as the community resilience, right? Resilience is like the ability to bounce back, and most often, very often, we have heard about this word, and it means to act fast,
Yes.
adapt and innovate, right? So and resilience is not something genetic. It is we can all improve on resilience, and it is it is environmentally determined, right? So I will take an example of the Japanese society here, one of the most resilient in fact people, and the community is resilient.
Right.
And one way is because they are coping day in day out with the natural disasters, or for example earthquakes and volcanoes. They are part and parcel of their life.
बिल्कुल.
They have adapted and innovated accordingly. Of course, the less said the better. They also had a man-made disaster. They had a nuclear disaster, but they have the ability to bounce back. It is one of the important, I would say, as a cardinal trait in their personality. Resilience is a cardinal trait in their personality. They have the ability. So the individual comes back, has the ability to bounce back. So the community in the whole, we are also involved with each other. So the community also comes back.
Right.
So these two are, interlinked. And the key to resilience building is, of course, as rightly mentioned by Suhas earlier, was self-awareness. The more we know about ourselves, the better, in a better position we are about, the strengths and the weaknesses, what I can do, what are my, capacities and so on. So that self-awareness, we should be self-aware. Self comes first,
Yes.
and we should be aware of what we are. And then we need to identify the stressors. In fact, there is, the good part is hidden in the stressors.
Right.
We never assume that in fact, if we take our own example, how quickly we have come onto we have adapted well onto the online mode, and now everything, not everything, but comparatively, if we compare the pre and post pandemic, we have adapted quite well in that way. And we are trying to learn, different apps are there and so on. So there are good features. There are always the good part hidden in the stressors. So we'll have to find those. And of course, we'll have to identify our strengths. Now, because identifying the strengths really helps in dealing with challenges. That's very important. Very true. And now we are also, say for example, there have been some reports that there is, a lot of aggression people are showing. Like, for example, aggression towards the policemen and the doctors and the nurses and so on. But what it can be said here is that the more the pro-social behavior people exhibit, the more resilient the society is.
Very true.
Right? So if we are, we are witnessing more of violence, of course, there is a resource crunch, no doubt about it. Limited resources are there, but somehow, but still we can say the positive part is that people need to engage in certain kind of pro-social behavior. That is a mark of a resilient society. So we need to focus on that. Because when I say pro-social behavior, somewhere there is hope and courage. Again, that positive outlook is there.
And empathy.
Empathy, of course. That is very crucial. Not sympathy, empathy. So that
Which
is
again, empathizing is again difficult because you cannot fit into
right,
someone else's
right,
shoes.
right.
But again, you have to try doing it. You know?
So, and the third, strategy that we can use is like positive thinking. That is, of course, optimism. It reflects optimism, because everything is related. If our cognitive functioning is like that, thinking, we'll have positive emotions and then we'll have positive actions. So everything is interrelated. Positive thinking, they protect us from the negative impact of stress. That is so important.
Right.
We have that courage and the hope in like how we can, how we can. There's the challenge, how we can cope with this challenge.
Very true.
Then, of course, we have to engage in meaningful activities with purpose, and really we have to think on, for example, what you need. You need to, right now, this is a phase where really you have to distinguish between what are your needs and your wants. People are now they have transited towards, minimalistic approach. It has taught so much. And what you are good at doing, what are you being paid for? Right. So these are few things you'll automatically, if you have these reflections, automatically, I think you will be engaged in positive actions,
Very true.
in meaningful activities.
Right.
Right. And last, I would also suggest here about writing a gratitude journal. You can write about maybe 4 to 5 good activities that you have done, or like the gratitude that you have towards others. You can write, people who have helped you during this phase.
Yes.
Right. So this is something we can focus on, and in fact, what our prime ministers are also the clapping in the balcony. That was also a gesture of gratitude only. So
I think, one exercise that we can actually do is, identify one person in your life, and say thank you to that person. Give a reason as well. Just go and say, call up that person. The person can be within your family, or the person can be away from you. Of course, we are well connected. Fortunately, everyone has a cell phone, and you can call that person. Just say thank you. This is one exercise that you can do after this particular session is over. Identify one person or more than one, and say thank you to that person with a reason. I want to say thank you to you for so and so reason. Would be an interesting
that is the main
activity.
Yes, that's the aim of the gratitude journal, in fact.
Exactly.
So this all leads to positivity also.
Exactly. Yes. Because the other person is going to definitely feel better when you express.
Right.
Again, communicating that I have a positive regard for you is also very important.
Very important. But we are also witnessing to some, as I just mentioned about the violence and the aggression that is going on, and there is an increase in domestic violence and child abuse that is going on right now. And this is phenomena not only of the developing countries, but in developed countries as well.
Definitely, Monica. Home is supposed to be a safe place, but then for some, home has turned into a unsafe place, and there is an increase in domestic violence because the perpetrator finds the victim. Yes, the person is victimized very easily within the confinements of the 4 walls, and of course children as well, they're quite vulnerable. So you have to remember that at this point again you have to be observant, and if you feel someone is being victimized, definitely you have to reach out and help in some way or the other. There are a lot of helplines also. I think National Commission for Women also has come up with a WhatsApp number. It is available online. You can keep that number with you, okay, or the other numbers that are already there. Seeking help, not meaning kind of being the victim, okay, rather seeking help in this situation is extremely important. I would say that.
Correct. So this is like earlier, because of course it has given rise to aggression in the sense people are confined to their homes and all.
Right,
But this
yes.
does not mean because the victims are available in the closed space, so
Exactly.
it becomes very easy. So, but this phenomena, it's not only in India but in developed nations also. We are having
Yes,
reports
yes.
from all over the world. In fact, see, because the human behavior, the principles are more or less same all over the world, except for
Yes,
the
yes,
cultural
of
differences.
course.
So the basic principles remain the same. So as we can share our the email ID.
Exactly, yes. This is an email ID that has been created by Discipline of Psychology and all the faculty members. We are four of us, including Professor Swati Patra and Dr. Smita Gupta. We answer the queries on this, and you can always, if you have any doubts or if you need any help or support related to maintaining your emotional health and something like that, then you can always email to us on this particular email ID.
Absolutely.
Monica, I would also like to share yet another meditation technique which you can, it is displayed with our viewers, it is displayed
Okay.
over here. Okay, this is a simple way to meditate. Again, you have to, sit straight, and this is to be carried out in a very calm place, and here you can have a deep breathing in and breathing out. Concentrate on your breathing, and at the same time you can have a self dialogue. The details of this technique are given over here on the slide. Okay, but what you have to do is you write down a self dialogue beforehand. Okay, a self dialogue or a mantra, whatever you're comfortable with, a positive self dialogue. So you sit comfortably, close your eyes, and then what you have to do is breathe in deeply and breathe out gently. Keep doing that. Focus on your breathing, and then later on have this self dialogue or a mantra to yourself. And then, of course, little bit more of breathing in, breathing out gently, and then count backwards from 25 to 1. That is just to bring back your focus.
Okay.
Because when you do these exercises, you are like involved in something. So immediately, just opening your eyes will not help. So what you have to do is slowly, from backwards 25 to 1, you have to count. Then rub your palms together, because you generate a lot of energy over here, and then put on your eyes and then open. Most important thing is sit straight, close your eyes. Your feet should be flat on the ground, and your hands also, they should not be like this. This is a closed position. Often we see it as a closed position. So when you do these relaxation techniques and meditation, you have to see to it that your palms are open. You're open to experience. And remember, you have to do these exercises, whether it is resilience that Monica talked about, or whether it is relaxation techniques, or the meditation, or cognitive restructuring, whatever it is, you have to do it with all seriousness. And you remember, you have to do it. इन साइकोलॉजी या मनोविज्ञान में ऐसे नहीं होता कि गोली खा ली, सर दर्द चला गया. आपको इस डायरेक्शन में वर्क करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. और साथ में प्लीज ये ध्यान रखिए कि जो ये कोविड सिचुएशन है, ना ही हमारी हेल्थ पे इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है. इट इज अफेक्टिंग अस साइकोलॉजिकली, इट इज ऑल्सो अफेक्टिंग अस सोशली. सोशल इम्पैक्ट इसका बहुत ज़्यादा है. इसलिए प्रेजुडाइसिस आ रहे हैं, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है, एग्रेशन बढ़ रहा है दूसरे लोगों की तरफ, which we need to avoid. As I would like to repeat that we have to be united, and united we stand, divided we fall is very true in this context. And social distancing is to be strictly taken as physical distancing, and we have to engage positively with each other socially, as well as you have to be involved in self-engagement. I think this is very important.
This is very important, and one has to practice this.
Bilkul.
Because our mental health, as it is important, the physical health is important, and so is the mental health. If you're mentally fit, like for example resilience or all, that is the mental toughness that you have, because we'll have to accept that this is the new normal, and this situation will be there for quite some time. So it will be good for us to gradually we adapt and innovate. It's not kind of a bombardment, of course. Gradually, at your own pace, at your own time, you can adapt to the situation, keeping intact your physical health and your mental health, because they are related. They are two sides of the same coin.
And if your physical health is affected, definitely your psychological health will also get affected, and vice versa.
I give importance more to mental health, because mental health, that you have to be mentally tough, and positive, in fact, because then your physical health will be also okay.
Right.
People perceive it the other way, but
of course.
you can try it yourself also.
Yes.
So with this, we wrap up this session.
Yes.
And I think we'll shortly meet you in some other program related to.
Till then, please do take care of
yes,
yourself
of
and
course.
best wishes from our side. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.